Hi and welcome. Today we are going to be making sweet chili roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon in the air fryer today. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. Let me tell you, as of today, this is my favorite roasted Brussels sprout recipe. It is so darn good. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have a pound of Brussels sprouts that I washed and dried. I did start a few of these already. I'm just going to go through these and cut the ends off of all of them, and then I'm going to halve them. And if there's any loose leaves, I'm just going to go ahead and take them off and discard them. So I'm going to finish these up, and then we'll go on to the next step. I have the Brussels sprouts all trimmed and halved. I have a couple of slices of bacon here. I'm going to cut them into little bite-sized pieces. I might add some more bacon if I think it needs more. I have them cut to about 1/2 inch. Typically I would use some olive oil, but I am out, so I'm going to use grapeseed oil. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon or so. Sorry about that. I didn't realize my camera was so focused in. I'm going to give these a quick toss. I'm going to add a little bit more of grapeseed oil. So I probably put about 1.5 tablespoons in here. That's better. All right. The amount of seasonings and basically what you want to put in here is up to you. I'm going to add some salt. This is sea salt. I'm going to put in some garlic powder and some black pepper. I'm going to give this another toss. Get everything all coated well. I'm going to go ahead and throw our bacon in. I'm going to break it apart here. I think 2 slices will do the trick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give it another quick toss. Grab my air fryer basket. Go ahead and switch these around. I'm going to just go ahead and pour in our sprouts. Just going to spread these out evenly. Now we do need to add the chili sauce yet and one other ingredient, but first we're going to get these cooked up. All right, let's go pop these into the air fryer. All right, I have the air fryer set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start out for 10 minutes. 5 minutes in, we are going to take them out and give them a good shake. Okay, we are 5 minutes in. That's what we have. I'm going to go ahead and give them a shake and put them back in. Let them go the remaining 5 minutes. Then we will go from there. So while we are waiting for the Brussels sprouts to finish up, let's go ahead and make our sauce. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. I'm just using the Great Value brand. To that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I believe if you use tamari, this will make it gluten-free. Don't quote me on that. Then we're just going to give this a good mix. And that's our sauce. Yummy doodles. It smells good. I should have added a little water to the bottom of the basket. We're smoking because of the bacon. Actually, this is the first time my air fryer's ever smoked like that cooking something. Okay, our time is up. Total of 10 minutes. Let's see where we are at. We're just about there. I want that bacon cooked up more. I'm going to go 3 more minutes at 350. That will give us a total of 13 minutes. So 3 more minutes at 350. Okay, our time is up. Total of 13 minutes. All right, that's better. All right, let's go move on back over to the table and get that chili sauce on these sprouts. These sprouts smell so good. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and brush our chili sauce onto the sprouts. I'm going to coat these well. Oh, this is going to be so good. All right, I think that's good. A little bit more for good luck. All right, now we are going to pop these back in the air fryer for a few minutes. All right, we're just going to go 2 more minutes on 350, and we are going to dig into these. Wait for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, sweet Jesus. That is so good. Sweet and salty. Not too sweet, not too salty. Don't get me wrong there. Oh, this is so good. Definitely don't leave the bacon out. That is definitely a keeper. So there you go. I hope you give this a try. Like I said at the beginning, so far this is my favorite roasted Brussels sprout recipe. It is so good. And unless you hate bacon, do not leave the bacon out because it just takes us over the top. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.